Good morning, all of you.
Good morning, ma'am. Good morning, ma'am. Good morning. Good morning, ma'am.
Please take your workbook. Let's complete the exercise in the workbooks. So please take a workbook part 2, page number 13. The same page you can see on the screen also.
I'm at the CM completed 18.
Okay, good. Those who have completed, very good. Question number 17. We have to start question number 17.
Ma'am,
Yes.
the page number is 30.
Page number 13. Question number 17.
Ma'am, can you show the 16th question answer?
Yes, Arav, please turn on your video.
Ma'am, can you
Yes, sir. PS.
ma'am, which book? Show the
Book, part 2, page number 13.
what book? What book?
Workbook.
Okay, ma'am.
Page number 13. Question number 17.
He is asking, can you try the 16th question?
16th question we completed yesterday. I WhatsApp in the group also.
No, I don't see.
Arjun, check page number 13. And we can discuss question number 17. Who is making noise? Sam Tom.
Ma'am, can you show the 6th question?
Can you show the?
Sixth answer.
The PS, please louder.
Can you show the 16th question answer?
16th question answer we completed yesterday, my dear.
Which book?
So will you write group?
Which book?
See, the cost of a book is 90 rupees 50 paisa. Shruti gave 95 rupees 50 paise to the shopkeeper. How much change did the shopkeeper give Shruti? We completed last day. Please look at the WhatsApp and let's move to 17.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, now. Arjun, please read the question number 17. Question number 17, please read. Tia
Bought a bunch of
needles.
yes,
4 rupees.
55.
55 rupees. 50 say. And a few rolls of thread. For rupees 43.
43. These are equal 0. That is the total cost of the needless and the ma'am.
Yes, mother.
Ma'am, mother joined late.
It's okay. We just started only. Question number 17. Please listen. Sia bought a bunch of needles for rupees 55, 50 paise and a few rolls of thread for rupees 43. What is the total cost of the needles and the thread? So two things are there. One is a bunch of needles and it costs rupees 55, 50 paise. Then other one, it is thread. It costs rupees 43. What is the total cost of the needles and the thread? So what we have to do, Arjun, here to find out the answer? It is asked of what is the total. So what we have to do here?
Addition.
We have to add the money. Arjun is talking to somebody. Please listen here. So Sia bought a bunch of needles for rupees 55, 50 paise and a few rolls of thread for 43 rupees. Let us write the steps. Now we can write cost of a bunch of needles. Please write cost of a bunch of needles. Look at the question and write. It's given 55 rupees 50 paise. Cost of thread rolls. Rupees 43. It is asked what is the total. Total is means it is total money spent. So what is the total cost of the needles and the thread? Total cost is equal to
98 rupees and 15 paise.
okay.
That's 98.50.
So please write the steps and find out the answer.
The answer is 98.50.
So let's write the numbers in the boxes. 55 rupees 50 paise. 43 rupees 0 paise. Now do it and tell me the answer.
The answer is 98.50.
98 rupees
50 paise.
50 paise. 0 plus 0, 0. 5 plus 0, 5. 5 plus 3, 8. 5 plus 4, 9. So rupees 98 50 paise. 98 rupees 50 paise. That's the total amount.
Ma'am, is Riya completed? Karthik completed.
So have completed, you can move to page number 14 and try to read the questions and find out the answer.
No, ma'am.
Emil, to write the steps. Write the steps and answer.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, the 18th question answer is that the Daksha can buy flowers and fruits.
We have to find out different combinations, my dear. You read the question, mute your device, read the question carefully and find out the answer. Simple. Okay, Anushka. Everyone completed. Then we can move to page number 14. Anushka, if you have completed the answer, please move to page number 14 and try to read the question. Question number 18.
Ma'am, Parvati can read the next question.
Yeah. Just 1 minute, Parvati. See, Evelyn is writing. Let her complete. Then we can move.
Yes, ma'am. Already completed.
Okay. Okay, Jennifer, please take page number 14. Evelyn, write fast. Madhav, did you complete the question and answer?
No, ma'am.
Write in the workbook.
Okay, ma'am. Ma'am, Parvati can read.
Parvati, just 1 minute. Let them complete. Then we can read the question. Yes. Evelyn completed.
Some more to complete.
Right.
Ma'am, Santos, not right. I am writing.
Right. Please put your device.
Ma'am, Anushka.
Okay, Anushka, you have completed. Very good. So you can move to page number 14.
No, ma'am. Ma'am, Santos completed. Yes, ma'am. Madhav not completed.
Madhav, right? Others are waiting for you. Please write fast. Those who have completed, please take page number 14 and read the question.
Ma'am, the combination of
Then you can take a different combination. You have to get 300 or below 300. She's only 300 rupees. So you have to make a different. It's only asked 2, but you can make 4. So try to make 4 combinations.
Ma'am, Madhav completed.
Okay, good boy. Evelyn, let's move to 14, page number 14. Yes. So
Yes,
please,
ma'am.
page number 14. Parvati, please read.
No. 1 minute, ma'am.
Question number 18.
Rupees 300 with her.
Diksha has rupees 300 with her. Okay.
How many of the given items can she buy? Write the
Many of the
list
items
to
can she buy?
and use each item only once in the component.
Okay, write at least 2. It's asked only 2, but we can write 4. Use each item only once in a competition. See, she is having only 300 rupees. So, equal to 300 or below 300, she can buy.
Ma'am,
More than 300, she cannot buy. Understood? So, we have to make a different combination. She can buy fruit basket is there, flower vase is there, shirt is there, sandals is also there. So, fruit basket, what is it?
ma'am, 100.
Rupees 100. Now, rupees
200.
shirt, rupees 150. Sandals, rupees 150. She can take any 2 items. She is having only 300 rupees. So, equal to 300 or below 300, she can buy. Okay, Parvati, tell me.
150 plus 150 is equal to 300 and 100 and 200 is equal to 300.
See, first one you can see, you can write here. See here, it is the first fruit basket. So you can write here fruit basket, FRUIT, fruit basket. Then it is easy to write. That's right there. Fruit basket. Yes. Fruit basket, BASKET. The second one, flower vase. Third one, shirt. You can write a t-shirt. It's a t-shirt. Now the fourth one, sandals. You can make the combinations. I have no problem. But it should be 300 or below 300. More than 300, she can't do anything. She's having only 300 rupees.
This is a sandal.
She can buy fruit basket and flower vase or shirt or fruit basket and sandals. You have to add, you have to check what will come the total money. It is equal to 300, she can buy. Or if it is below 300, she can buy.
Fruit basket
More than 300, she can.
flower vase is equal to 300.
Is right. Combinations you can discuss after 5 minutes. You can make different combinations. I will take one combination. Do it. Okay, you can make it. Here, here, basket 100. What is the price of flower vase? Rupees 200. So let's make that combination. So we can write A, the first one. I am making one combination, that is fruit basket.
Karthik, please wait for me.
And flower vase. Let's see what will come. See, what is the basket?
And the answer is 300.
100. No? So it's 100 plus flower vase rupees 200. Let's see what will come together. See, rupees 100 plus rupees 200. So 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 0, 0, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So it will come only rupees 300. So she can buy fruit basket and flower vase. If she need, she can buy fruit basket and flower vase. It will come only rupees 300. The same way you can make different combinations.
Shoe, slippers. We can make.
Please write. I will ask you after some time. You please combination.
Parvati have a doubt.
Yes, Parvati. Please ask me.
We can write more combinations like this fruit.
Yeah, you have to make.
flower vase,
You can make.
and we
maximum-
can write
you can make other combinations.
fruit and flower vase.
You do it. After 5 minutes, we will discuss. You can do by yourself. No problem. It's asked only 2, but you can make 4.
Ma'am, is it completed?
Okay, Asriya. How many combinations completed, Asriya?
The flower vase.
Asriya, how many combinations? Only 1 or 2? How many combinations?
2.
2. So you can make a 4. Okay. You think and write 2 more. Think and write 2 more. Okay.
Ma'am,
Ah.
I like same competition.
I write one combination, fruit basket and flower face. It costs total rupees 300 only. So she can buy. The same way you can also make a different combination. But the total rupees should be equal to 300 or below 300. It's not over rupees 300. She is having only 300 rupees.
Ma'am, we want to write only
Process should be completed. Eh? Did you make any other combination other than this A? Show me your workbook. Joseph, show me your workbook. Did you make the combinations? I didn't see. I cannot see. Please lift up.
Ma'am,
Please, only one is written. No, that is also not completed. Completed, Joseph. And think and write another one.
Ma'am,
Yes, Ritika.
Ma'am, Ritika completed.
Ritika got how many combinations? Ritika, how many combinations you got it?
4.
4. So will you tell me another combination B? I will write here.
T-shirt minus 2.
Okay, just 1 minute. T-shirt. And which one?
Sandal.
And sandals. Okay. So T-shirt it is rupees 150 plus sandals it is rupees 150. Let's see which will come. So 150 plus 150. Let's add. See, hundreds, tens, and zero. What is zero?
220.
0. Now,
Zero.
5 plus 5. 5 plus 5 means it will come 10. 10, please listen. Please listen. So 5 plus 5 is equal to 10. This we can regroup it. So 0 will come here. The 1 will move to here. So 1 plus 1 plus 1, it is 3. So it is equal to 300. So we can take a combination.
Another one.
Okay, I will write. So this is okay. Rupees 300 again we will get.
Ma'am, we can minus 2.
Shirt and sandals. Okay, Parvati got another combination. Okay, Parvati, tell me another combination. What is that?
Fruit basket and T-shirt.
Which one?
Fruit basket and
Fruit basket. Okay, let me write. Fruit. Fruit basket. And
T-shirt.
T-shirt. Okay, let me see. So fruit basket it is rupees 100 plus T-shirt it is rupees 150. Let's add rupees 100 plus rupees 150. Now 0 plus 0 0, 5 plus 0 5, 1 plus 1 2. Okay, it is 250 only. So she can buy. So she
Parvati got another also.
and t-shirt. Okay.
We can buy fruit basket and sandals also.
Oh, very good. You got another combination also.
Yes, the 4 competitions are over, but I did not write it.
Okay. Now let's see D. One more combination.
Finish. Ma'am,
Ah,
Jennifer have a competition.
Jennifer got another one.
Yes. Ma'am,
Okay. Jennifer, tell me.
Madhav, wait for me.
Ah, Madhav, you can write. No problem. I'm not changing the board. Please write.
Ma'am,
Jennifer, tell me another
basket
combination.
and sandals. Parvati got another one.
Ah, okay, Parvati. Parvati, I took one combination. No, let me ask another child. Okay. Good, Parvati. Very good. Jennifer, tell me another. Which is another combination, Parvati, Jennifer?
Flower vase and sandals.
Which one?
Flower vase and sandals.
Flower vase and sandals. That is not possible. Let us see. Okay. See, flower vase. I will write here. Flower vase and sandals. Let's see what will come together. Okay. Flower vase, it is rupees 200 plus sandals rupees 150. Now let's add. See, rupees 200 plus rupees 150. Let's add. See, 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 1 is equal to 3. See, the total amount will come 350. Can she buy flower vase and sandals? She is having only 300 rupees. Jennifer, can she buy?
No.
No, it is 350. So she can't buy. Okay. It's okay, It's okay, Jennifer. You see another combination.
Arjun Krishna.
Yes?
Arjun Krishna.
Arjun Krishna, tell me, what is another combination?
T-shirt and sandals.
T-shirt and sandals already written B. Okay, Arjun, it's already written there. Any other combination?
Flower vase and
Ah, flower vase and
fruit basket.
that is also written here. Fruit basket and flower vase. The first one A.
Flower vase and T-shirt.
That is not possible now. See, flower vase and a T-shirt. Let's write flower vase and a T-shirt. Let's see. Let me see. See, flower vase it is rupees 200. T-shirt it is rupees 150. Let's add 0 plus 0, 0. 0 plus 5, 5. 2 plus 1, 3. See, total rupees 350. Is it possible? She is having only 300. Is it possible, Arjun?
No.
No. So we can move to another one. It's okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. So what we will do? What are combination? So
T-shirt.
yes, I'll.
Ma'am, we want to write the practice question.
That you can do later. Alvin, tell me
Ma'am.
combination.
Ma'am, fruit basket and sandals.
Tell me.
Fruit basket and sandals.
I didn't hear. Tell me once again, Alvin or
Fruit basket and sandals.
T-shirt and sandals. It's already written. Food basket and t-shirt.
Fruit basket and sandals.
Fruit basket and sandals. So let me write here. Fruit. Fruit basket and sandals.
Ma'am, everyone is. Tirtha got one. Ma'am, Tirtha got one.
Okay, Tirtha. Just 1 minute. Let me complete this after that.
Okay, ma'am.
Fruit basket and sandals. So fruit basket is rupees 100 plus Sandals rupees 150. Now let's add rupees 100 plus rupees 150. So let's add 0 plus 0, 0, 0 plus 5, 5, 1 plus 1, 2. So rupees 250. It's possible because it is below 300. So rupees 250.
Ma'am, Parvati, right?
Ah,
All the and
very good, Parvati. Very good. You got all the 4 combinations. Okay, good, good girl. Okay, Parvati. Good, very good. Okay, Tirtha, tell me.
fruit basket and T-shirt.
Basket and t-shirt, it's already written. C. Look at C. Fruit basket and t-shirt. Very good. I think we completed all the combinations. It's only asked 2, but we wrote 4. You understood now how we are making the combinations? Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so that is the last question in that chapter. So we completed the money chapter also. And we have 3 more that we will take after the opening. So please complete it, all of you.
No, ma'am. Because it's
Okay, right. Is it clear? The money chapter?
yes.
Yes. So whenever you will get a time, you please go through the practice questions. We have enough questions. So please go through the.
Yes, ma'am. The next chapter is multiplication.
Before multiplication, we can start the other one. No,
Multiplication.
measurement is very simple. So we will have that after that we multiplication, because multiplication take time, because you have to multiply tables.
I
It's
know once multiplication.
the two concept for subtraction and addition we already have in first standard. Multiplication is new for you, so we need more time. So before that we can complete measurement chapter. It's very simple. Okay,
Ma'am, handspan and the multiplication table.
Okay, you know the multiplication table. That's good.
Once.
Okay, it's very simple. You have to by heart it.
5 tables. And the measurement.
5 tables.
And the
Let us-
Parvati also now 5 tables.
Super. So studying, good boys and girls. So anyway, we completed the chapter.